Friends, today we are going to learn the second poem from Unit 2. So open your books, page number 100. Title of this poem: Indian Weavers, and name of the poet is Sarojini Naidu. So, at the starting of this poem, there is given small introduction about the poet and little information about this poem. So, in this part, we are going to learn this information and introduction. Now, listen carefully. Sarojini Naidu, 1879 to 1949. It means Sarojini Naidu was born in 1879 and she died in 1949. Was a political activist. So what is the meaning of this word activist? Look at here on the board. Activist, it means a person who takes action to cause political or social change. Political activist, feminist. See the meaning of this word, feminist. Feminist, it means a person who supports women's rights on the grounds of sexual equality. Feminist and the first Indian woman who became the president of the Indian National Congress. So here we are getting information about Sarojini Naidu, that she was political activist. It means she was a person who take action to cause political or social change. She wanted to do some kind of or bring out some kind of political or social changes in our India. She was a feminist. It means she was fighting for the women's right. She wanted to treat women as equal the men. And she was the first lady of India. She was the first woman of India who became the president of that time's Congress session. She was an important figure. See the meaning of figure in this poem. Figure, it means a person. In India's struggle. See the meaning of this word, struggle. Struggle, it means make forceful efforts to get free. She was an important figure in India's struggle for independence. So there were many people who fought for India's independence. There were many women also did some kind of effort for forceful efforts to make India free from the British. And Sarojini Naidu was one of the most important person at that time. Sarojini Naidu's work as a poet earned. See the meaning of this word earned. It means to get as a result of hard work. Poet earned her the sobriquet. See the meaning of this word sobriquet. Sobriquet it means nickname. Sobriquet of Nightingale of India. See the meaning of this word Nightingale. Nightingale it means a bird that sings sweetly by night as well as by day. So here we are getting information about Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu's work was as a poet earned her the sobriquet of Nightingale of India. So Sarojini Naidu was a political activist, she was a feminist, and as well as she was a great Indian poet. And because of her poetic work, she got a sobriquet, a nickname as Nightingale of India. Later, she became the governor of United Provinces in 1949. So what is the meaning of United Provinces? See here. United it means politically joined, and provinces. Province it means a large administrative division of a country. United it means politically joined. Province it means a large administrative division of a country. And if we get these two words together, so the meaning of these two words become, let me first clean this. United Provinces, it means politically joined a large administrative division of a country. So in 1947, she was the governor of United Provinces, and became the first women to hold the office of the governor in India, independent India. So after this, she was the first lady, first woman of India who got the post of governor in independent India. Indian viewers. What is the meaning of viewers? See here. Viewers, it means a person who views fabric or cloth. So what is the meaning of view? See here. View, it means form, fabric or cloth by interlacing long threads. Indian viewers is a short poem where the poet talks about three types of garment, it means cloth, fabric, that the viewers view at three particular times of a day. So in this poem, Indian viewers, viewer it means a person who views fabric or cloth. This is cloth. And view, it means form, it means create, make fabric or cloth by interlocking. Interlock, it means join together from any direction. Interlocking long threads. So in this poem, Indian viewers, this is a short poem. In this poem, we are getting information about the weavers, how they make garment, it means fabric or cloth, at the different particular times of a day. Each stanza of the poem represents three important events of human life. So in this poem, there are given three stanzas. Each stanza contains different information about human's life. In the first stanza, we get information about birth or childhood. In the second stanza, we get the information about adulthood or young age. In the third stanza, we get information about death or old age. The colors mentioned in the stanza are very significant as they indicate the mood related to the event. So in these three stanzas, there are given three types of color, and those colors gives us important information about the human's mood. So in this way, we have completed this information and introduction here. So today we are going to stop here. Thank you very much. Have a good day to all of you.